bit of rain about, but nothing too much. But I just thought I'd film it anyway because it's quite cool. It's quite cute. It's quite, yeah. How's your father? Weather, because it ain't great. But anyway, I'll show you it right now. It's coming right for us here in Canberra, so I'm going to put up a storm camera that you can view right here, and I'm also going to film on that storm camera too, and it's going to be cool. How I'm going to set this up is I'm going to be chatting to you guys, looking at the weather while this is in the corner with you guys, and I'm looking at the other camera. It kind of looks a bit better on the iPhone than it does on my old camera. It is quite crappy, my old camera, so I'm glad I'm with you guys, and you guys have let me actually save up and let me get an iPhone and get gifted an iPhone, because I said I need it for filming, and I need it because they're shut down the 3G service soon. This is the setup now. This is the cool setup, and I can also that's the one for that TV. I can do anything on it that I like. It tells me everything, tells me the time. They're really done with the Chromecast, but I've also got a Google Nest Hub, just in case, you know. This is a Google room. Oh, thank you. But yeah, this is my room. This is the studio. Anyway, I'm going to go set up this storm camera and I'll be right back. So never mind about the storm camera. I can't get it working. So, storm camera, just mind about more of this stuff. Oh my god, yo. What the hell? Is that you moving the bins? Oh, it was you. You really thought it. Oh my. That. Scared me.
Mate, didn't I? Why would I scare you going into the building?
Because, look at the sky. I looked at the radar. There was vent in Jamboree. It was coming this way. Then I heard that, and I freaked out.
That's why I shouldn't obsess about it.
I'm not obsessing about it. I'm just saying.
A storm.
Oh, yes! Didn't I tell you I was doing media? Oh, it's just loud noise for me today. Yeah, stop. So we were keeping this one, where we can chuck the Daily Telegraph for sure. Why did you... Oh, that's just... Why would we want a home lottery? It's the Pomeranian next door. It's okay. Shh, shh, shh. In. Right, what are they? Oh no, it's not. It's just a bag. Alpha, alpha, alpha. Sunday. Have these things? No.
Christmas essentials.
Yes.
Crap.
Tupperware book.
Howard storage walls.
Tupperware. I'm kidding, I don't like Tupperware. I like Christmas stuff though. What are they?
Did you chuck our Krispy Kreme flyer?
You're so bad.
Hit that, hit that.
Anyway,
Bloody kidding.
it's actually decent paper that you could use.
Birdseed lining.
But it doesn't matter.
Well,
Keep these two, because they're good.
why the fuck do we need a pizzeria? What is that? An opt-opt? What?
Labels.
Oh goodness, keep
They're old now.
Berry
these.
strips, they're good to keep.
Look at them.
Yeah, so I know what the hell.
Oh, wow. And it's still...
Got the strips on it. Wow.
Yes.
Okay, we don't need a Rivers map. I know who would like a Rivers.
Magazine? Nah, not 2000.
Oh,
We're keeping that.
Stay digital.
we don't need Foxtel. We don't have Foxtel.
Anyway, let's get into the top half.
Wait.
Grassroots.
Grassroots was actually a very good book.
See, Canberra.
What's in this? Is it Florian? Oh, it's Spring Florian.
Yeah,
Wait.
these were good books, these. the
Well, do you want to
Grassroots.
keep the book out Grassroots then? Okay. Fuck Grassroots. Celebrating SRS. Farm.
Journal,
Shit. Does that say tornado? No. Damn yacht.
Small Country.
Is this all up?
Not a recipe book, Darren.
We can keep the rest, but this recipe book looks good. Be the ABC. I think Nan has this one and I liked it.
Gardening guides.
Oh god, I'm not corn organic
Corn guys.
Yeah.
Organic garden
gardens, farming
more farming.
magazines. They're like, yeah.
These were these
These, if we were to sell these, you wouldn't get any money off them.
don't see them anymore. Cause they're
Well, some of these are.
Here, Dad, can I go through that and you?
Sort out the Alright. Oh, Better Homes and Gardens. My God, you don't need them. Is that Christmas? Is that Christmas? Is that Christmas?
Doesn't matter.
No, I like Christmas.
Stuff, Darren.
Wait, what? Country.
Is that Country Craft Book? Oh.
You know, we've got so many magazines. It's gonna fill this bin up.
That's why I'm doing it. I had
Home Builder.
Burke's Backyard. I'm fucking.
What the hell?
Okay, Mum's Backyard. That's fun to know. Solar books.
Renew. See Canberra again. Popular.
My God.
These magazines. Oh yes! I was looking at that. That popped up on my YouTube.
Good liners.
Oh shit! It's got the NMA.
Liners. These are all Daily Telegraph.
Daily Telegraph. Jesus Christ.
They could be counted for the
Birdcage.
bird.
Yeah.
Birds.
Which ones? Yes. By the sun. ANU open day? Yeah, nah.
We keep these.
Is I mean, obviously. What the hell? A moose thing? Oh no.
Don't chuck that out. It's got
Thing.
This. If you guys don't understand what this is, right? This is the mint issue, and it is quite good. You wouldn't find these.
Liner.
You wouldn't find these anymore. Would Well,
It's old. 2004.
Outdoor Living?
Yeah.
That's a cool book.
I mean, I guess.
Okay.
Mother
We already gone through that. Earth Garden, Earth Garden, Earth Garden.
Hang on. It's a book on water.
Okay, give me a look. What's the blurb? They usually should have a blurb. No,
You didn't even read that.
I did. Can we not put this in?
All that?
So we're taking them inside, or we... Right. Thank you. Well, I can put all my books in and get them on.
You don't need anything.
I just want to have a look at...
The holiday thing.
Oh, another cookbook.
Done. I love cookbooks. I love cookbooks. I love stuff about weather. Tornadoes. I love that all. I love tornadoes. I love storms. I just scared my son.
Loud. Because you know what I heard? I ended the video on you on there. But yeah, so we've gone through all our magazines. Oh, look at the pussy cat. Look at our kitty, kitty, kitty. Puss, puss. Kitty, kitty. Hi, baby. Come here. It's just a dog. Scary. Scary dog, yeah. Swipe the dog, but nothing else. Which is good. I'm really glad. But yeah. But anyway. So after that Life magazine, I'm going to show you how many magazines are left in our bin. Like, there are a lot. The top layer, I've chucked out a Daily Telegraph. It's just... Why the hell do we need that? Oh, Centrelink. Shit, no, don't show that. All these books and magazines, and there's half about farming. I'm like, who loves farming? This person really loves farming. No, I need to keep that for the doggy. The doggy, the birdie. Yeah, I don't know. Too many magazines. Look at the sky. Sky's beautiful. The Longaloo Valley. You chuck this out. Perfect bird like cage liner.
Oh, mate, we had a few, so we didn't need them all.
Hello. Anyway, Holiday Season's Eating. That's a good book. That's what I heard. But like, louder. It was almost like he dropped the bin, but then it sounded like... Because it was in this direction. Because the room's right there. That's the window I'd had the time lapses out of. It all makes sense. It really does, but yeah. What am I to say? Quite crazy. We really need to do this front yard. Everywhere. You didn't put shoes on?
No, I didn't.
You didn't even bother putting socks on, that's worse. Right, taking all these magazines inside. Come on, puppy.
Take that back.
Fuck.
Good girl.
I'll pop these in the dining room.
Alright, can you close that door? Put something on. Can we go and grab something outside?
Okay, go out the back. Oh. Out there, it smells like rain, and it's... As you can see by the My Radar. I love My Radar. The last vlog I used was Weather Channel, but no. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. Look at that sky. The dark on the light makes it look drastic. Oh, wow. Real. Like, look at that. Look at the shadow. Yeah. Cute. Hi, baby. Running around doing laps. Oh, you can see the reflection of this sunlight. Yay. Her yard looks a bit of a mess. Yeah, she's cutie. So, no, I know it's quite beautiful out there. Yet at the same time, it's quite easy peasy, easy here and there. It's a bit, yeah. Our yard looks disgusting. Come on. What do you need that for? Out the front.
Yeah.
The cleaner. Oh, the carpet cleaner.
Yeah. This is what I found.
Hi. No. It is really beautiful side out there. So there's no snow. So all the magazines are chucked now, which is what we... I love these.
Oh my god, both TVs are on the screensaver.
That's it. And if not, thank you so much for watching. This is Logan Mackenzie out, but always, I'll see you guys in the next one. If you would like to download my books, please head to bit.ly/Logan Mackenzie website to view all my books and my website.